Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be making for you my favorite salad. This is going to be number 4 of my comfort food series. This is called a crispy chicken salad. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've got my oil heated up to 350 degrees, and I'm not gonna drop my chicken in like a dumbass, you know, with my fingers. Now this chicken is frozen, so you have to be very careful. The ice crystals on the chicken can cause very harmful burns. So you want to delicately add that to your oil. You know, I'm actually going to turn that down a little bit because it seems a little bit too angry. And I'm also going to cover it. Oh yeah. Alright. So I got my chicken going. Next I'm going to add my fresh greens. And you can use spring mix, you can use romaine. You can use iceberg lettuce if you want. I mean, it's really all up to interpretation. Then I'm going to add my tomatoes. And I think with any salad, it's really about presentation. I'm a big fan of making food look really beautiful. I know it takes time, but really, if you want to impress people, it's what it's all about. So I'm using tomatoes, onions, avocado, and a little shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. You know, and I know that when you think of comfort food, you don't really think of salad, but I guess, you know, if you associate health with comfort, it goes a long way. Besides, this is a very beautiful salad. And I'm also going to add a splash of lemon juice. And a little bit of salt and pepper. Now, it really shouldn't take all that long for these chicken tenders to get done. But you really have to be careful when you're dealing with such a high heat. Remove this.
News from Napa.
You want to transfer these to a cutting board. So you can cut them accordingly. Ooh-wee, these are hot. Get some on that salad. Then I'm just gonna drizzle with a little ranch. And then I'm gonna bust out a little sriracha. You know, I wasn't thinking about sriracha, but you know what? I do love me some sriracha. Alright, there you have it. Comfort Food Series number 4. Crispy Chicken Salad. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.